you will see ostriches on your left. They are the largest birds on the earth and they produce the largest egg. They cannot fly, but they run at 70 kilometers per hour. On your right you will see Siberian Huskies, Choco, Bella, and Maya. Maya is the proud mother of 7 beautiful puppies. Also, you can see a pair of Shih Tzus with their adorable puppies and Yorkshire Terrier puppy.
Yeah.
Emus are on your left. Many people confuse emus with ostriches. They are the second largest bird. They can also run as fast as 50 kilometers per hour. They are very friendly and can jump up to 7 feet high. And they love to soak theme saves in water and also love to swim. On your right is the beautiful lake. If you are lucky, you can see some native birds like ducks, kingfishers, and krakes. Krakes are special because they can walk on water. They started living here permanently and started breeding as well. Now you can see miniature horses. They are the smallest horse breed. If you watch carefully, you can see the male is a bit shorter than the female. The female belongs to Falabella, while the male is a pure breed mini horse. These are the miniature cows. They are the smallest cow breed of Carolyn, and this is the smallest calf we have ever got at Fundera. The father is the smallest breed of Andhra known as Punghanor.
At Fundera we try to grow our own fodder and greens for our pets and farm animals. This ensures us that it doesn't contain any pesticide or poison which might have major impact on our pets. All the baby chicks which you fed at feeding station will be moved here once they grow a bit bigger. Once they grow, the feathers will turn white. And don't be surprised, these are the same broiler chickens you buy to eat.
At Fundera we recycle and reuse up to 90% of the waste produced here at the park. We have manure pits, incinerators and ducts to do this work. We request you to cooperate with us and help us to reach our goal of 100% recycle. Please use dust bins.
On your left side you can see the pygmy dwarf goats. They are the smallest goat breed, comes from Africa. The females are called as nannies, and males are called as bucks. They are very playful and love to jump from the rocks all day. On your right side you can see the native breed of Famolivy, known as Chippy Pound Ryan Kiney. They were bred by the royal families. They were a symbol of royalty and dignity amongst modern